Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, as you are aware that in Kolkata Airport, West Bengal International, the only one airport, as per West Bengal Government Department of Family and Health Welfare instruction, international flight from UK suspended because UK is considered as a high risk countries. So West Bengal discontinued its direct UK to London flight from Kolkata effective from 3rd January 2022. So friends, West Bengal government has brought some change in its arrival policy for international passengers, and it is categorized in two segments like risk countries or high risk countries or low risk countries. So in this video I'll discuss about the passengers coming from low risk countries, as from high risk countries direct arrival into Kolkata airport already banned effective from 3rd January. So if you are coming from countries which is considered as low risk countries or countries at non risk, then what are the arrival policies to be followed? So first, arrival policies to be followed that all the passengers coming from the non risk countries need to go through rapid PCR or rapid antigen test or RT-PCR test. So this test divided into some two categories, like from the 100% passengers, airlines will select around 10% passengers for RT-PCR test, and for the 90% passengers, RAT test or rapid antigen test will be conducted at the airport, and in case any passenger found positive, then RT-PCR test will be conducted on that passengers as decided by the state health authority. Next, all passengers intending to travel to Kolkata airport from the non-risk countries, they need to register before arrival for their RT-PCR test to be conducted at Kolkata airport, and this will reduce your waiting time at Kolkata airport, and airlines will also check that you have registered for your COVID test upon arrival in Kolkata airport or not. In case you are unaware, then you need to book your COVID test slot at Kolkata airport. So please follow this instruction so that at the arrival in Kolkata airport you may not face any problem. And friends, it is also important that all international passengers need to fill up a self-declaration form or SDF form arrival on Air Suvidha portal of Government of India, New Delhi Airport portal. So it is mandatory to fill up this form. Air Suvidha portal form or SDF self-declaration form fill up is mandatory for all incoming international traveler coming into India. So friends, I hope that with this video you have received some information regarding international arrival policy in West Bengal as well as India. So friends, thank you for watching. Have a nice day, and if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe so that in future you receive this kind of update. Thank you.